What's up guys, I'm Joel with JS Detailing and we are finally wrapping up this 2024 Rapid Blue Z06. As you can see, it looks a lot different than it used to. So when it first came in, it was pretty basic aero-wise. Well, the customer ordered these front splitters and dive planes, so we installed those for him. We also did some black badges and stinger stripes on the front, and we waited to do all of that until all of the paint protection film was laid. And of course we couldn't leave these beautiful carbon fiber wheels unprotected, so we ceramic coated those as well, and we added black lug nuts just to make it look a little bit meaner. Carrying on with the paint protection film, we actually did this whole roof in black paint protection film from the A-pillars all the way back to these nacelles here. So it is actually blue underneath, and we just use this Stex gloss black film and it looks just like paint. So bringing it back to these wide hips on this Z06, they're very prone to rock chips. So we paint protection filmed the whole car, but mainly for these wide quarters to protect against rock chips. And then the customer also wanted red badging, so we did the red badging as well. Another request from the customer was he ordered these Jake fender stripes, and so we installed them also. And we do that on top of the paint protection film, because if we lay our film on top of this mat will become very glossy, and then there will also be a little air gap. So we try to avoid that if we can, put the film down and then put the stripes on. So bringing it back here to the rear, we've done the taillights and this rear diffuser in our paint protection film for now. But the customer ordered a different spoiler. To do that, we had to order a whole new rear bumper, so we're waiting on the rear bumper before we do that spoiler, but everything else is corrected and coated. On our full coverage, no part goes uncovered, so even this heat extractor is covered. And then again, we added this blacked out badge back here for the customer as well. And then of course, to round off our full protection, we added our Exoshield protection film to the outside of the windshield to protect against rock chips. No car is complete without window tint, so Logan from Freedom Tint did 50% on the windshield, 35% on the sides at the customer's request, and all ceramic. Alright guys, now let's take a look at the inside and I'll show you everything that we did and coated inside here. Alright guys, so inside of this beautiful Z06 is a bright red interior. Obviously we wanted to protect that and keep it easy for the customer to clean. So we used leather ceramic and coated everything. All of this is all real leather, and we wanted to get it protected, especially against UV rays. And we especially do the high contact areas, the steering wheel, armrest, seats obviously, and then again, we already touched on it, but we did the matte protection film on the screen to protect against finger smudges and just keep it clean. Alright guys, so that's pretty much a wrap on everything that we've done so far to this Z06. Customer's still waiting on parts, got a big high wing he wants to put on, and so when he does that, he'll bring it back. But for now, he can drive it, not have to worry about rock chips, any of that. His whole car is protected, so he can enjoy all the nice weather that we're getting. As always, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, drop a comment if you want to, and follow us for more.